Hey guys, welcome to eTrailer. I'm Jake. If you're looking for helpful videos on the products you need, you found the place. Here at eTrailer, we strive to make videos on products so that you know what you're getting before you have to make a decision on that said product. And I'm just one of the many people that work hard here at eTrailer to make these videos for you. I can confidently say that there's no other companies out there that try as hard as we do to make these videos for you so that you know what you're getting. Some companies think that you can make a decision on whether or not a product is right for you or your vehicle by looking at a few grainy stock pictures or reading a description that was written by an engineer. We don't use slide rules or calculators to see if a product is right. We actually install and use it in the real world. You're going to need to know the nitty-gritty details. You're going to need to know if it fits your vehicle, what it's going to look like when it's on your vehicle, whether or not it looks good or bad. And we're going to tell you that kind of stuff. We're also going to show you how it installs in case you decide you want to install it yourself at your house or at your shop. You're going to need to know if it's heavy duty or lightweight, or if it's a better quality than another product. And you're not going to get that anywhere else, but we're going to tell you that here at eTrailer. How do we do it? Well, there's some logistics involved. We warehouse all of our products. What does that mean? That means that we can test and install all the products so that you're getting a real opinion from a real expert. We built photo and video studios here so that we can capture our experience with the products so that we can share them with you. And if you still need personal advice or help, you can call one of our helpful customer service reps that we have on staff. Like Tommy here, he's an automotive enthusiast for life. He can answer any and all of your questions. We really do everything we can here to get you the information you need about the products you might be looking for. Thanks for stopping by eTrailer. Feel free to subscribe and visit our website. Thanks.